So we got this 2013 Kia Rio. We'll be replacing the rear caliper for this car because it was leaking in this side. It's coming from here over here. There's a new one. There's a rubber seal in here. I think it's already worn, so we will be replacing that. Okay, first thing first, I think we need to remove this parking cable. Okay, where did it go? Alright, I found it. Now, I'm not sure how do we, let's push this like that. You know what? Maybe let's remove the spring. Look, hold on, let me. Oh, how do we do this? Okay. Oh, I think we can just see this spring. Push this spring. So we can disengage this. Yeah. Just push it. There you go. Just push that spring and then we can remove the spring. Go. I think now we could remove this. This. Okay, so we just removed the spring, but still connected on the hole. So we're just gonna remove the entire caliper assembly using number 14. So two bolts. Okay. Of the whole assembly. Okay, there you go. So I'm really having a hard time to remove the spring, so we're just gonna remove the entire mechanism of this brake caliper. That's number 12. still I'm having a hard time. I'm gonna just remove the spring. Go. Come on. There you go. I think I can remove it now. There you go. There you go. All right. It's been removed. Now I can. Do we have to remove the whole thing? Oh, it's tight. We just need to push this so we can get this cable. Yep. Oh boy. Can get move this. Oh. You know what? Oh boy. Okay, you know what? Let's just leave that one. I have a plan. So let's put this for the meantime. For the meantime. Alright. Let's just put on the new bolt. New caliper. Tighten it. Okay, so I already installed the new caliper. We're just gonna transfer the pads. Okay, so we're just gonna probably remove one of this. Let's transfer. Let's transfer the. Oh boy, hold on. The pads. Okay. That one. Perfect. Okay. Okay. The pads still thick, so we're gonna reuse that. Now we could put on the new machine right here, and then brake pad. Hold on. Oh. This one. This one is at the back. Okay. Okay. back. Nice one. Let's put back bolt. Okay, good. And now let's see this. Oh, what number? This is number 10. Let's open this. Really? Okay. This is number 10. Open the bleeder bulb. Okay. Because we're going to put on, connect this hose, the brake hose. Okay. All right. This is number 12. Oh yeah, number 12. Perfect. So let's remove everything. Okay. Let's remove spacer. Nothing. Where's the other spacer? Oh yeah, it's in here. And the other one's still here. Okay, but make sure there's no spacer. Then get the new one. Okay. Okay. Do it by hand. Don't cross thread it. There you go. Now like that. Come on, okay. So let the bleeder valve open, so it will bleed by itself. This one, oh boy, it's raining now. Okay, so we're just gonna probably we're just gonna disengage this so we can get this one and put this on over here. Okay. Alright, so let's remove this bracket. Alright. Just little bit. Now we can remove. There you go. That's the parking cable. Now the only thing we need to do is connect this over here, which is get a plus screwdriver. Stick in here, I think, and then just try to push it upward. There you go. There you go. Hope you see it. There you go. Go. See that? That's how you do it. Very good. There you go. And then don't forget the clip. This one. Put in here. There you go. And we're almost done. Just leave it like that and wait until the fluid will come out on the bleeder valve. Let it drain for a few minutes and that's it.